Hi everyone, welcome back to Beam through Revit tutorial. So as promised, in previous session, we're going to modify our tile layout by using our own tile pattern, okay? So as per the layout plan here, you can see that the tiles are in white color, okay? And it looks more natural compared to what we have over here by using the default pattern from Revit, okay? So how are we going to modify the patterns of the tiles? Like for example, I want to modify the tile to become a stone marble looked tile in white color, okay? So we are going to use the jpeg format of whatever we have here. So I have downloaded a jpeg file from the online resources, okay? How to I'm just using the print screen function and save it as a jpeg format, okay? So you can save any format that you want, then you can utilize it as your tile layout, okay? So first of all, you can create your own tile type, okay? For example, just edit type and then you go to duplicate to create your own tile type, okay? For example, just click on duplicate, then your ceramic tiles, you rename it as marble look tiles, okay? In white color. Okay, that's done. So next, what we're going to do is just modify the structure of the floor. So before we start, we're going to look at our home page here. If you want to learn Revit, we have provided you various tutorials for various trades, okay? We have electrical, energy simulation, swimming pool, and the plumbing services, HVAC system, architecture step by steps, and of course we have sanitary, plumbing, and mechanical equipment modeling. Then last but not least, we have Revit structure step by steps, okay? So every tutorials here, you can click on the tutorials here, and we are offering in a very affordable price. If you are facing any problem during the video tutorial, you can always contact us. We will support you from behind, okay? So here's the list of tutorials that you get, okay? Unlike other tutorials from other resources, we are focused on topic by topic basis, okay? If you want to excellent in MEP, you go through the MEP modeling. If you want to be excellent in structure, you have to go through the structure step by step, okay? So don't worry, no experience required, and you can start from the scratch, follow us step by steps, okay? So video tutorial can allow you to learn at your own pace, okay? The time constraint is not a concern anymore. So let's start our tutorial today. So we click on here, we can create our new ceramic tiles. We click on here, ceramic tiles. We wish to create a new material, okay? We click on create new material. Then of course you need to rename it as 600 times 600 marble look tile, okay? So where I get it from, if you are okay, I have typed the answer MML, okay? So you just copy this, then we paste on here. Then manufacturers, let's say it's MML. Then the model is a white marble look tiles, okay? Then cost is per meter square. If you have your URL of your manufacturer, you can paste on here, okay? Then the graphic, use render appearance. Then of course the foreground is surface pattern. You need to choose it at 600 times 600, okay? Here also same background, you can put it at 600 times 600 drafting purpose, okay? Then appearance. When we go to appearance, then we need to rename it as tile, okay? Make a unique name for it. Then this is also a tile. Then from here, you can always click on here to insert your image. Okay, let's say it's from the image, then you go to your folder, and here is your JPEG file. Click on here, then open it. So this is your tile pattern. Okay, so without doing anything, you can edit the image over here. Then this is the tile pattern. So normally we make it slightly bigger. Okay, we make it the sample slightly bigger, so you can modify the pattern later. Okay, then from here you click on tiles, then the image here, the tile appearance, you click on here to insert your image, which is tile mml. Now you have this tile, then you click on here, the tile sample. Let's say it's 24, then make it 24. Okay, make it the same, so you can without repeating too many of the same pattern. Okay, so because you normalize it, become a bigger tiles. So 2004 it consists of 4 by 4 tiles. Okay, then done. Then of course you need to modify over here. So we have the sample here. Make sure it's the same, 2004. This is also 2004. Then okay. Now supposed to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, now it's okay. Then the ground appearance, make sure the ground will be slightly whitish in color. Okay, then the ground gaps, don't let it be too big. Let's say 0.2 will be fine. Okay, like this. Okay, done. So the appearance will be like this. Then done. Now you can see that 2001, I put 2004 and 2004. So you have a 6 piece of 4 times 4 piece of tile without repeating too many pattern here. If you are using the same like 300 times 300 or 600 times 300, you will seeing that each piece of tile will be repeating the same pattern. Okay, so then click OK. That's fine. Glossiness, you can adjust the glossiness. Reflectivity, of course, not so direct. Okay, slightly reflectivity. Glossiness, not so glossy. Then apply. Then everything should be fine now. Then apply. Now use OK. Apply. Then OK. So now this is your tile pattern. Okay. So now it looks more natural. Okay. Then you can actually go and render it if you want. You can turn to a perspective view. Then you zoom in your layout by clicking Z, enter. Then you can try to render it to see the appearance of it. Okay. How to render it? You can go to View, Render, then Medium, Exterior or Interior, Sun only. I will go to that detail further. Okay. At the moment, we just select whatever we have here, and we just render it and see what happened. Okay. So just wait a couple of seconds. So this is your tile appearance. Okay. You can adjust to darker or lighter. So okay, we're fine. Of course, you can adjust the reflectivity of the tiles. I'm okay with this pattern. Okay, we're going to proceed with this color. And of course, if you're still not satisfied about the color, you can change the color to more whitish color. Okay, so this is also you see the shading of the tiles. This is for purpose of making the picture looks more natural. Of course, you can also edit the shading. How to edit the shading? You can go to here, go back to the tile, the the material over here. Then you can, from here, you can adjust the shading. Okay, quantity of the shading. Color variants. Okay. If you change more variants to less variants. Okay, this is the minimum already. Okay, looks more natural. Okay, so done. Then we will stick to that to proceed our modeling. And okay, apply. Okay, apply. Okay. So I guess that's all for this session. Very short session, but definitely benefit you for the future material or tiles rendering. Okay, I guess that's all for this session. Thanks for joining.